Hey guys, have you been searching for a home in Schertz that gives you plenty of space without breaking the budget? Then you're going to love this one. Today, guys, I'm going to take you inside this beautiful home that's listed at $375,000. It has over 3,000 square feet, has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a theater room. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Jana Cervantes with Better Homes and Gardens and Cervantes Dream Homes, and I want to welcome you back to my channel, San Antonio Living Boss. And if you have ever thought about buying or selling in the San Antonio area, then guys, you need to subscribe to my channel now. All right, make sure that you click subscribe, that you ring that bell so you get all of the information that you want about the San Antonio surrounding area. Now, let's go take a look at this beautiful house. Hey guys, so we're going to start out here, and I just wanted you to kind of get a look at this neighborhood. Beautiful, well-kept neighborhood here in Schertz, Texas, right off of IH-35. So if you don't know what IH-35 is, then let me tell you, that gives you easy access to New Braunfels, great access to San Antonio downtown, 20 minutes, Randolph Air Force Base, all the shopping and dining that you want. Just a great place, okay? So did I mention that this house also has a 3-car garage? Did I mention that? Well, let me show it to you real quick. Hello. All right, so here's this house, 3-car garage, 3,000 square feet, $375,000, guys. That's it. That's what this house is priced at. Has a great outdoor covered patio area for entertaining. Let's go see this beautiful house. You're going to love it. Okay, come in here. You can see here, high ceilings, lots of natural light, archway into the kitchen. You've got a formal dining room. Now, if you wanted to make this a study office area, you easily could, okay? We've got our hallway here. Coming here, you've got a cute little mud area. Love that. Laundry room, first floor, which is great. Here's that big old 3-car garage. Can't beat that. Okay, come here. You've got an open kitchen. Beautiful updated stainless steel appliances, really pretty cabinets. Love it. Bar area, okay, open floor plan, lots of natural light. All right, so we're gonna go right here, and yes, you know it, the primary bedroom, hello, is on the main floor. Whew, no stairs for us people. Love that. We're gonna walk into the primary bedroom here. I want to show you this beautiful, look at this great flooring. Love it. Oh, 2 closets in this one. Here's one for the guys. Ha ha ha. And then you're going to walk over here, this beautiful bathroom, double vanities, tub, walk-in shower, huge closet. Love it. Yes, so the primary bathroom, great master suite. Love that. Okay. So real quick, I'm going to take you to the backyard before we go upstairs, where you can see this wonderful covered area. Love this. Look at this. Love the wood bar, ice chest. It's ready. It's ready for a summer gathering. Isn't it pretty? Yes, it is. Okay, so we're going to make our way upstairs, where you're going to find 3 bedrooms and a theater room. Love it. Okay, let's get up these stairs. And look at this humongous loft area, game room, whatever you want it to be. Okay. Walking in here, we've got a theater room. Oh my gosh. Give me some popcorn. I can smell the butter. Okay, here, we come here, really nice size room. Jack and Jill, love that. Tub shower combo, and we're in another room. Super cool. Oh, another room. All of this for $375,000. Another bathroom. Look at this. Man, can't beat it, guys. Cannot beat it. If you want more information about this home, reach out to me. Hey guys, so Schertz is one of the fastest growing areas in the San Antonio metropolitan area. Roughly a population of about 46,000 people. One of the reasons is the location, all right? 25 minutes from downtown San Antonio, approximately 15 to 20 minutes from New Braunfels, where there's Landon Park and Schlitterbahn, hottest, coolest time in Texas. Woo! Also, Randolph Air Force Base is just minutes away. So Schertz is perfect for military families, new families, young families, retired families. And why do I say that? Because Schertz Civilo Universal City ISD is the school district here, and it is a pretty great school district. I might know something about that, all right? Especially if your kids want to be in extracurricular activities, then this is a school district for you. They offer lots of AP classes, lots of preparation for college and preparatory schools. So this is a great place to raise your kids, all right? Schertz Texas also has a public library here. They have a YMCA. They have so many parks, so many things to do, lots of eateries, really close to the Forum, which has all of the shopping stores that you could want. It's just a great place to be. So if you think that Schertz Texas, or for that matter, anywhere in the San Antonio metropolitan area, is a place where you want to call home, then you need to call me. All right, San Antonio Living Boss lady, that's me. Call me, shoot me an email. One of the things that I'm proud of is that I communicate, and I will answer my phone, and if not, I will get right back to you. So shoot me an email, reach out to me, let me help you make a move and help to make it a little less stressful than it might have been if you didn't call me, because you know what? I like to have fun. I like to be real. I like to tell the truth. And most of all, I like to meet new people. So reach out to me. See you in Texas, y'all.